Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing tools and capturing evidence. This saves time later. First, photograph the unopened box and bottle. Include lot number, expiration, UPC, and visible holograms. Once done, inspect the foil seal beneath the cap and note any tears or reseal marks. Make a short log with date, place purchased, and images. These are crucial if you report a fake. Make sure to keep packaging intact for comparison and potential return or claim. Now you move into deliberate verification steps. Scan any QR code or hologram and check the manufacturer's verification output. If the code fails, flag it. Next, open a capsule and assess aroma and color. Authentic fish oil is mildly fishy and golden, not rancid or dark. Once done, perform a quick cold test. Refrigerate a small sample for 1-2 hours. Expect slight clouding for natural triglyceride formulations, whereas industrial adulterants behave differently. Document every result with photos and notes. Finish by confirming provenance and knowing what to do if something's off. Contact the manufacturer via their official support channel, provide lot, UPC, and photos, and ask for batch authentication. This is the definitive step. Also, cross-check third-party seals like IFOs, USP, or NSF, and request a certificate of analysis if needed. If the answer is inconclusive or negative, stop using the product, request a refund, report the seller, and preserve the sample and packaging for independent lab testing. This secures evidence and protects you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.